So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can use ChatGPT in your country if it is not available in your region. So we will discuss two working solutions. The second solution will solve your issue 110%, so you need not to miss it. So let's first discuss the solution number one. If you want to use ChatGPT on your mobile, you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And if you want to use ChatGPT on your laptop, then I will tell you what to do in just a second. So go to the search button and type here VPN and hit the search button. And bundle of VPNs will appear up. You have to open up any VPN from here and download or install it. And after installing the VPN, just turn the VPN on and then try opening ChatGPT. It should work in your mobile. And if you are working on a laptop, you can simply go to Google and type their free VPN download, and you can download any VPN from there. And after turning on the VPN, the ChatGPT should work for you. And if this solution doesn't work, you tried VPN but it didn't help, then let's move towards the solution number two, which works 110%. So what you have to do is you have to open up your Instagram application for solution number two and go to the search button and tap in this search button and search here SHAJJIII and hit the search button. And this account which appears at the top of the list, you have to tap on it, and this is my Instagram account. You have to message me here on this account and I will create a ChatGPT account for you from my country, and I will hand this account over to you. And if you don't trust me, let me show you some proofs. This is my account, and here you can see I had a chat with this lady. I had made this lady a ChatGPT account. And if I show you another example from here, this one right here, you can see this person also worked with me for creating a ChatGPT account. And there are many more examples. My inbox is full of the people who need some kind of services, and I had provided it. The cost for this ChatGPT account will only be $20 for lifetime. By the way, the solution number one will work for many of the people, but if it doesn't work, you can go with the solution number two. I'll be waiting for you in the inbox, and let's solve this issue together. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.